following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Okay. Alright. KDKA is done. And now we're going to switch cameras for the IPTV test. And as usual, I was joined by these two devious boyos.
Yep.
Well, say your names.
I'm Pittsburgh EAS's
No!
2.
You are not!
Technically, all three of us are Pittsburgh EAS fans, but
Yeah.
You're the real one.
Yes, I'm the OG one.
I'm RCT Landed 165. Currently got a rare HH54 VP version 15.
It's uncommon. It's not rare, but it's uncommon.
Well,
But yeah.
Yeah, same thing.
And
What? It's not.
What? And your name is?
You know who I am.
No, we don't.
Yeah, who is this person? My name doesn't need an explanation. Yes, it does.
Oh. Anyways, what's your name?
What is your name? Huh? I'm SG23167. According
Oh!
to
Don't get doing that!
SG243 UV8.
No, I didn't get that! No, baby. Anyways, you're SG24136. It's not to say your name for you!
Yep.
Anyways.
A pain in the ass.
Oh, God. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.